Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Run Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds on Run Run Deal. With that being said, make sure you're downloading Run Run Deal's app and also following them on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. With that being said, let's check out what I have this week. All right, Run Run Deals have all the smart technology. If you need an Echo, they have it. Check it right here, an Echo Dot. If you don't know what it is, stay tuned, I'm gonna show you. All right, Run Run Deals, when I tell you they have deals on everything, this right here is an Echo Dot through Amazon. As you can see, comes in a nice box. Nice and round. The cord comes with it, instructions, everything you need. Now someone might be asking, what is this? Why would I need this? Well, this right here is basically an information center. You can ask Alexa anything just like you would on your phone, and she's going to figure it out for you. She's going to play your music for you. She's going to play the radio. She is going to let you know what's happening on that day. Anything you ask, she's going to give it to you, and that's why I love this. All you need to do is make sure it's plugged in. You install it like the instructions tell you to, and there you go. It's compatible to your iPhone and also your Android, so get those in. Make sure you're going on Run Run Deals, especially if you need electronics like this, to see if they have a coupon to get a discount just for items just like this. All right, so that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope there was something on there that you love. If not, make sure you check Run Run Deals app out anyways. You might find something that works just for you.